how to transfer ticket on Ticketmaster. So here's how we can do it step by step. First, we will open up the Ticketmaster app and log in. Next, we need to go to My Events. So simply click My Events to see your purchased tickets. The third step will be selecting the event. So choose the event for which you want to transfer tickets. Then tap on Transfer Ticket or the Transfer Tickets option. It may appear as Send on some versions of Ticketmaster. The fifth step will be selecting the tickets to transfer, so choose the specific ticket you wish to transfer. The second to last step will be entering the recipient's details, so provide the recipient's email address or phone number depending on the platform's requirements. And the very last step will be just to confirm the transfer, tap Send to complete the transfer, and the recipient will receive a notification with instructions on how to accept the ticket. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.